Alright, outdoorsman, out for the new day. Didn't think about it on the front end, but definitely removed a fair amount of debris here on the front end. And I've learned that my waders definitely have a leak, so they're going in the trash. Gonna finish this up, and I'll show you how it's flowing in the end. Alright, there we are, completely clear. That was probably 10 minutes worth of work. It was flowing fine, but it's definitely flowing better now. So we're gonna go check the other ditch and keep on moving from there. Another cool thing that I wanted to mention is that all the way up there, that small patch of willows actually has a blind stand, or blind base rather, in front of it. And it is 100% gone. I'll show you. I know you saw before what it looked like, but I'm going to get up on it today and give you the above view as well. Interestingly, this looks like it's almost not moving at all. But when you toss a leaf in it, I guess you really can't tell here either. But if you look out into the woods, there you can see it's still very much still moving. So this is an awfully big body of water, and slowly but surely the water's coming off of it. There you can see the stick was where the water level was when we started. By the end of the day, yesterday, you can see where the first pink flag is, and then today where the second pink flag is this morning. So hopefully she keeps right on flowing, and in a week it'll be empty. And I definitely am going to be able to go around and get some duck food planted around the edges here. So looking forward to that. All right, outdoorsmen. Got all of this done. Have this one small section, and I got the best help you could ask for. There we go. My favorite friend in the whole world. She's going to be mowing this last section. All right, everyone, there she